Primates are organisms that have large cerebral hemispheres and opposable thumbs. The evolutionary tree indicates that humans most closely resemble the African apes. Contrary to what you may have heard, humans did not evolve from apes. They believed to have a common ancestor about 7 million years ago, so we perhaps could think of apes as being our cousins. This diagram shows the evolutionary tree of primates. Here you can see the common ancestor for all primates. Hominid is a term that's used to describe common ancestors for African apes and humans. Humans themselves are referred to hominids. Hominids are humans and all early human descendants. This slide shows the evolution of humans through different phases, such as the Australopithecines, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. Hominids is a classification for humans and our very close human ancestors. In order for an organism to be classified as a hominid, it must have a suitable anatomy for walking erect and standing on 2 feet or being bipedal. Hominid is the family designation for humans, which also includes the African apes. The Australopithecines is possibly the most direct ancestor of the humans. These are found in Africa about 4 million years ago. Fossilized remains were found of Australopithecines known as Lucy. Though she had a small ape-like brain, she did stand upright and walk bipedally, like a human. There have been some recent discoveries in South Africa, which may have discovered a new species of hominid, and this potentially may cause a redrawing of the tree of human evolution. Let's look at some of our most ancient type of human ancestors. The first would be the Homo habilis. These date back to 2 to 1.9 million years ago. Homo habilis means handyman. So these are ancestors that actually used stone tools. And their brains were quite large enough to be able to deal with the complexities of speech. They also showed beginnings of culture. Homo erectus were found in Africa, Asia, and Europe, dating between 1.9 and 0.3 million years ago. They believed to have appeared in Africa and then migrated to Asia and Europe. These were our first human ancestors to use fire, and they also fashioned more advanced type tools. Again, let's just go over one very important classification. Hominins refers to humans or human ancestors. Hominid is a larger classification that includes humans, chimps, gorillas, and orangutans. Most researchers believe that Homo sapiens evolved from the Homo erectus. This is part of the replacement model or out of Africa hypotheses. Homo erectus evolved to Homo sapiens only in Africa, and then our human ancestors migrated outward. The Neanderthals, or the Homo neanderthalensis, take their name from the German valley where they lived. They were probably already present on Earth when the Cro-Magnon man appeared. Competition between these groups may have caused the Neanderthals to go extinct. They were more advanced. While most lived in caves, many of them built homes. They used a variety of stone tools, and they actually buried their dead with flowers and tools. This indicates perhaps the presence of some type of religion. The Cro-Magnons then evolved into what are considered to be the Homo sapiens. These are the oldest fossils that are designated as Homo sapiens. They have a thorough modern-day appearance. They used very advanced tools, had language, and they had culture that also included art.